Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today it is Monday and as you can see I took a loss on the Express. This was my first trade, minus $221, and I right now have a combine as well, since because of the issue when my Express disappeared they gave me 2 free resets, so I've decided to buy another combine so I can just go full hard size on this. So if I blow it I have 2 free resets. And this ended up $300 on the day, and I'll walk you guys through the trades I took. So coming into the day I was bullish, but mostly just wanted to see if we go up at open I want to catch a short, and if we go down I want to catch a long, which is because we are accumulating right here, and once we go up, we sweep all of this, and this can be seen as an power of 3 that we should go up here and then retrace back down. So, but I wanted mostly to catch along really, come down here and then go up, but we just ended up going up. So then I was wanting to catch a short. We had this 1 hour inversed fair value gap, which was a PY of mine, and we came into that. And this trade I took on the XFA, and I'm really mad at myself about this trade because it isn't really my setup. It's not a good trade, and I just rushed into it, and it sucks. It's my first trade on the Express, and it's a bad trade, which sucks. So yeah, why I took it was because we came up. The problem here is we're in between these PYs. This is a 30-minute bearish value gap, and we're in between this 1 hour and this 30, so we have no reason to want to reverse here, which I kind of forgot in the moment. I just was wanting to go into short. We have this SMT with ES, and we have swept all of this liquidity to the upside and have this liquidity to the downside. So we get this 1 minute inversion and also a 2 minute inversion, and I wait for us to retrace back into the fair value gap, and then I enter. But we go up, and when we get this close I'm 100% certain this is gonna hit the SL. I've seen this happen so many times before. Is when you rush into a position and the price isn't supposed to retrace down from here, so it's just a fake out to get people to go short, and I fell for it. And I was really thinking about exiting BE right here once we tap back in, but I didn't. We came into a 30-second bullish value gap here and wrecked it up, and I exited right here at my stop loss. I took 5 contracts, I believe. Yeah, 5 contracts. So yeah, very bad trade. I only took it on the Express, which I'm also mad about. Why did I take the not that good of a setup on the Express? If anything, I should have taken it on the Combine, but it is what it is. So then I waited. This I took on the Combine, which is how I got up for the day. We had this SMT with ES. We had a lot of sell side liquidity built up to the downside, and we were in this 30-minute bearish value gap and also 1 hour order block. So we get this cyst in the 1 minute. We get a 30-second inversion right here of the fair value gap, and a 2-minute inversion as well. So I enter once we come up to the cyst line again with the stops at the SMT high. And I have target right here, so this would have been 1.5k, and stop loss right here was like $560. And I have a recording here of the trade. So I entered 10 contracts. I didn't really care about this trade that much. Didn't feel anything when it was this close to the stop loss as I would have been on the Express, which was nice to not really care, and that's how it should be. You shouldn't have any emotions while in the trade. So once we go back below this line, I go break even, and I take a partial right here. We tap into a 15-minute bullish. ES swept this low, which made an SMT, so it was a nice zone to take a partial. I took only 3 off. In hindsight, maybe I should have taken more off, but I didn't want to take too much profit off since I've had a problem of doing that. So once it hits my full TP, I don't even get that much. So, and this is a combine where I have free reset, so it's just better to go for it all, in my opinion, right here. So I took 3 off, made $200 there, and here we retrace up with SMT, and a 5-minute shows that we went right through, and here it's like 100% sure it's gonna go break even, so I decided to take it off for $100. So that was the trades for today. This trade was alright. It's my plus setup. It's not like the best. It's a no-news Monday, so yeah, it's not the best, but other than that, 2-minute inversion, 1-minute cyst, it's a good setup. I would take this on the Express, but I decided to take this one, which was a very bad setup, and I'm really mad about that. And that's just the thing. It doesn't matter how good you are at reading charts. If you just take trades that you shouldn't take, you won't make money. So I need to just have patience and wait for my setup and take it. I only lost $220. It isn't that bad. I de-risked a bit on this trade, and my next trades, I'm gonna just be patient and wait for the setup, and once it comes, I'm gonna risk $350 about to make like $700, since most of my trades are 1 to 2 RR. And then that $220 loss won't mean that much. So just gotta focus on taking good trades, and I'll get my payout in no time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.